We live in a society which teaches us when to close our eyes and when to open it. We usually close our eyes whenever we face any problem to our family or on us. You might have watched many South Indian or even Bollywood movies which shows encounter by police. But can those encounter be matched with the reality? No, na. But after watching the Vikas Dubey's encounter, can you say so? Few of you might say yes, and few of you might say no to it. Hello everyone, I am Priyanshi and I am going to take you to the ground reality of encounter based to investigation. Encounter, which is also known as retaliatory killing or extrajudicial execution, are very common in the places where there are very less tourism or no tourism, like Kashmir, like UP, or even northeastern states. Can an encounter be fake? Yes, many human rights activists have claimed that these encounters to be fake. Vikas Dubey, who was a wanted criminal and a gangster of around 60 cases of murder, kidnapping, etc., has now been killed by the UP police after he killed 8 policemen, including the deputy superintendent. But his death has raised thousands and millions of questions. Was Vikas Dubey murdered or encountered? Was his killing was done just to save the names of many big politicians? Even state cannot violate the right to life and its obligation established by the law. Under Article 21, CBI has been tasked with the investigation of around 95 cases of alleged fake encounters in Manipur, which has came around from the long list of 1528 cases. Encounter killing is common not only in India but also in Pakistan too. The court was dealing with the case filed by the PUCL about the correctness of 90 encounter killing done by the Mumbai police between 1995 and 1997. The NGO last year has reached to the Supreme Court claiming the rising concern of encounter killing by the UP police. Encounter killing is nothing but just a self-defense done by the police or any armed force against the suspected criminal or a gangster or a terrorist. Are extrajudicial killing new to India? No, it has been seen in different states by the police and security force. In Bengal in 1960s, in Punjab in 1980s, and it has also been seen in Gujarat throughout 2002 to 2007 against the suspected terrorist. This case was a fake encounter case, and Supreme Court held that fake encounters are nothing but just a cold-blooded murders, and whosoever will do this will be punished with a death sentence and will be counted under the rare of the rarest case. In Bijapur district of Chhattisgarh in June 2012, 17 people along with 6 minors were being encountered by the police, claiming that they were Maoists and they were doing firing against the police officers. But the court found that there were no firing by the villagers. Also, they were not Maoists. The night on which the encounter was done, on the next day, one of the victims was being shot by the police. The consequences of these encounters would be, firstly, the police will arrest the person who is innocent to save their own images. Secondly, they will kill them to satisfy the conscience of the society. Thirdly, politicians may get benefit out of it. And fourthly, the innocent will be punished instead of the real criminal will be set free. On November 29, 2019, 4 lorry workers had raped a 25-year-old veterinary doctor in Telangana, and after that they burned her body. But those 4 rapists were being killed by the Telangana police who were trying to escape. On this, Maneka Gandhi slams Telangana police by saying that they cannot take the law in their own hands. An interesting data reveals that from about 1224 cases of fake encounters, NHRC ordered compensation to 16 cases. Also, since October 1993, The fake encounters were recorded 1224 from the data of around 2560 cases. That means every second encounter done by the police is fake encounter, according to the report of 2018. Pro-encounter laws. There is no such separate law or any act that talks about encounter done by the police. But section 96 and 100 that talks about right to private defense is an inherent right of every person. Maybe he is a police or any person that is a normal citizen of India. Also, exception 3 of section 300 that talks about culpable homicide is not amount to murder when it is done by the public servants in good faith or believing himself to be done with the direction of the government. This section is being supported with section 160 of Bombay Police Act 1951, which is given under the Bombay Police Manual. Hence, encounter killing must be investigated separately because they affect the rule of law. Also, the state must encourage the police officer, but at the same time, they should restrict some power so that the police officer could not use those power to abuse other person.
Thank you so much for watching this video. This video was being presented by Priyanshi Bhardwaj. Please share as much as possible so that others can also know the ground reality of encounter killing. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.
Thank you for watching our video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. And also check the link in the description to read the full article.